My name is Milo Kolb and I make axe sheaths by hand. I have a commission option and I make pre-made sheaths. This video is to show you all the benefits, options, and prices. If you'd like to make a purchase, my Instagram, Facebook, and Etsy are linked down in the description below, so feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to assist you with your purchase. The main benefit of a custom sheath is durability. I use high quality vegetable tanned leather, which will not lose form or wear out over time. Veg tan leather is the best for axe sheaths because it doesn't rust the blade and it's tanned using only natural tannins such as oak bark. Also, I offer my sheaths with high quality solid brass buckles and waxed thread. Another important aspect with my sheaths is aesthetics. Each sheath is designed with elegance in mind, especially since many of these sheaths will go on very beautiful vintage axes. Every item I make is made one at a time and completely handmade. I start with a piece of leather and it takes the form of a sheath through many involved steps.
I fell asleep in a riverbed, sleeping, dreaming like a little kid. Oh, right now.
I would recommend my pre-made axe sheath lineup for somebody that has a high quality axe and they'd like a high quality sheath to complement it. This includes vintage axes and axes like Holtzbrook, Grand Forest Brook, Council Tools, and other higher end axes. My small sheaths are 45, my mediums are 50, and my large sheaths are 55. Further in this video, I go more in detail with each aspect of the pre-made sheaths. My commission axe sheaths start at $60, and I'd recommend these to axe collectors and people just looking for more personalization. Also, if you have a very large axe like a racing axe or a broad axe, then this will be necessary because my other pre-made sheaths do not fit larger sizes. My pre-made lineup is offered in 9-ounce veg tan leather and offered in a brown colorway. Also, they have a buckle to adjust the tension, so they'll fit any size axe within the specified bit length or blade length. Each hole in the strap is 1/2 inch apart, so small adjustments in the tension can be made. Also, I use a brass rivet to secure the buckle in the strap so they can pivot, which is important so you can fit it on different sized axes and different shaped shoulders. Each option has a 1/2 inch welt which protects the stitches from the axe blade. Also, these sheaths are sewn on the bottom so that the toe cannot slide out, because that's a possibility if the axe has an unusual shoulder. The small sheath will fit any axe with a bit length or blade length of 4 inches or smaller. When measuring your axe's blade, I recommend giving a small margin of error, because if your axe is 4 inches on the dot, then it might be a little bit too snug. The strap is 11 inches long and 5/8 inches wide. This will fit the majority of small force axes and hatchets. Also, the strap is made from 5-ounce leather. The medium sheath will fit an axe of 4.5 inches or smaller in bit length. The strap is 13 inches long, 3/4 inches wide, and it's made from 5-ounce leather. The large sheath will fit an axe with a bit length of 5.5 inches or smaller. I jumped up by an inch in measurement to account for Connie's and Jersey patterns. The strap is 15 inches long, 1 inch wide, and it's made from thick 8-ounce leather. If the pre-made sheaths will not fit your axe, or you'd like more customizability, then the commissioned sheaths will be best for you. The base price for commissions is $60, and this includes 9-ounce veg tan leather that's brown or another color that I have in stock. It comes with a brass buckle and it's sewn on the front and bottom with waxed thread. For the buckle sheaths, I don't need the axe in person. All I need is the measurement of the bit length and a picture of the axe. Also, this needs to be sewn on the bottom so the toe does not slide out. An option for commission sheaths is a snap closure instead of a buckle. This is very minimalistic and it looks really nice and it holds tight. A trade-off for the snap closure is that I need the axe in person. This is so that I can account for the tension of the strap or the flap. For commissions, I also offer a full cover sheath for fireman axes, single bit axes, and double bit axes. This is a base price of $100, and this is a very traditional look, and it covers the entire head so that the sheath can never really come off. Also, for these full cover sheaths, I can add a belt loop, a shoulder strap, or a pouch onto it if the axe is big enough. One downside is that I need the axe in person, similar to the snap closure sheaths, because the pattern making is really complicated for these. Also, on screen you're going to see all the personalizations and add-ons for my commission option with the prices and some photos so you guys can know what you're going to get.
Up from the mud, under the rock, under the water, rise to the top, through the surface, into the air, under the sun.
If you guys have any questions or you'd like a different personalization option that I haven't listed above, then feel free to reach out and I'm sure we can figure something out and I can make you an awesome individual product. So these sheaths are very high quality and they'll pretty much last forever if you take care of them, but they require some maintenance. I recommend oiling these sheaths about once a year or whenever you feel like it gets really dry, and neat's foot oil works great, also leather balm. Another aspect is treating your axe sheath with respect. I recommend putting it on carefully and trying not to drop it, and that will ensure that the sheath will last for years to come. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment. Also, if you want to make a purchase, all the links are in the description down below. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it insightful. And peace out, guys.